to make it alright. Someone that loves you more than life, right here. You got willing arms that'll hold you tight, a hand to lead you on through the night, right here. I know your heart can get all tangled up inside, but don't you keep it to yourself. When your long day is over and you can barely drag your feet, the weight of the world is on your shoulders. I know what you need, bring it on home to me. You know you're like the back of my hand. Did you know I'm gonna do all that I can right here? Gonna lie with you till you fall asleep. When the morning comes, I'm still gonna be right here. Oh yes I am. Take your worries and just drop them at the door. Baby, leave it all behind. When you're over and you can barely drag your feet, the weight of the world is on your shoulders. I know what you need, bring it on home to me. Safe harbor. Don't let the water come and carry you away. When your long day is over and you can barely drag your feet, the weight of the world is on your shoulders. I know what you need, bring it on home to me. Oh, bring it on home. Yeah, bring it on home to me. Home to me. Oh, bring it on, bring it on.
Our old hometown never looked quite so lonely. It's a wasteland of cattle farms and old memories. Well, you always said you'd leave, I just thought you'd take me too. I can't call it home without you. I can't call it home without you. quiet in these halls I'm not used to. I don't know how to cope. I can't call it home without you. Here I remember things you told me when I was a child, how we would see the world's wonders side by side. Was it me that made you go? Was it worth a life alone? I can't call it home without you. I can't call it home without you. There's a quiet in these halls I'm not used to. I don't know how to cope. I can't call it home without you. Was it me that made you go? Was it worth a life alone? I can't call it home without you. Here I can't call it home without